don't know if you've seen the Wonder Cow already, but this person has taken 52,000 Dota games, parsed the replays, and did some crazy statistical math. I don't know how to even explain it. Some models and all kinds of words. Okay, but anyway, I don't have access right now to 53,000 replays for Dota 2 replays, but I thought maybe I could download them and at least get that part started. So check it out. Open Dota has this has a replay viewer, so you can go in and like look at all the data from all the replays, and you could download the actual replay file itself, which goes to this URL. And the API that Open Dota has tells you what these things are. So, for example, the cluster is here in the URL, right? 185 cluster, etc. So if I take parts of these and do the build the URL out myself, I can actually get the file downloaded. It's like half a gig or something. It's very big. So I want to just basically request this URL, parse out the rows, and then download the binary. And I can't parse it because you need a separate exe, basically, C++ or Go program, which I do have, but we're not going to worry about that right now. We're just going to say our goal is just to query this API, parse the JSON, and then extract these values from the JSON. Easy peasy, okay? And because I'm a professional, I've done, let's call it 7 takes of 30, so we're pretty expert. Let's see if we can hold up. So load, this is exactly it. You can get load, HTTP command. No, is it this? Is it? Yeah, there we go. Okay, now you can do HTTP command. This is like some sort of namespace, right? Good. And you can actually look things up in this 2349 or something. No, that's not what I wanted. Point is, it's I don't know where it is, but it's here. Didn't expect that output, but that's fine. We want to request using the CRL, okay, which I've already again prepared. So this is this. Oops. And this is literally just like a Postgres command. You can see select replace salt, comma, cluster match ID from matches limit 2, offset 2, just to get some simple data. So we can get it. Oops, we didn't capture the response. So it's just in the ether there. So R is here, right? R is data. So R data, we get the data from it. And it's JSON. And we know we can use quad JSON from this. It's actually kind of nice. I press home. J. Okay, we got J's parsed, and now you can just, it's a namespace, so you can just do j.names. Okay. And okay, so watch this. So I have the sample URL. Sample URL is going to be this. That's the API itself. Here we go. This is the sample URL. Okay, and we have the cluster. We have the match ID. Oh, cool. It copies it. Wait a minute. So you can see the clusters here, the match ID's here, and then the replay salt is here. 570 must be like Dota 2's Steam ID. I don't know. Point is, we have it. So if I now just make like a function, hey, let's make a function called make URL, and it'll take a R, which is a request. And unfortunately, I don't think I can unpack parameters and stuff like BQN, but that's fine. So we want to now, since this is a namespace, we can just literally just do like a Python thing where you just do dot cluster dot match ID and replace salt. So let's try it out. We do. Can I copy paste this again? And we'll just replace things we don't want. So this is the cluster. So let's just do this. There might be a better way of doing this. I don't know if there is though. Format. Oh, there you go. That's backslash apostrophe. R dot cluster. Okay. Let me leave that here. This is the match ID. So I do this again. Just repeating the same process. Comma. Like I could just literally copy and paste the same thing again. But I think this is match ID. Is it even in the same order this shows up in? It's kind of nice. This is salt. Format our cluster. No, our replay salt. I bet you there's a Postgres way to rename these things. Okay, how are we looking? Can I do? This is actually as easy as this. Hold on. Each J rows. Ha! Easy. Okay. Look at that. So now we have 2 URLs, and if I want to simply download them, I can probably do HTTP command dot get on this. Okay, how do you compose? Hold on. Is that compose? I forget. F1 search get. That's probably fine. I don't remember how to fix this one, but 19 is good enough. Get. Okay. Windows get text. No. At least it's called get. Oh, I see. Okay. F1. Okay. F1. Jot. We'll go back to 19. Okay. Jot. Bind. Compose. Purge. Okay, cool. We're partying. So this should actually resps. I assume it'll download. Okay, it's working. Take your time, buddy. Hopefully it does it in sequence. Okay, so resps is 2 responses. Awesome. We have, I don't know how many megabytes that is. 48 megabytes? Or that can't be 48 gigs. I don't know what data actually is. I assume it's a byte. Now we have both of them. So, yeah, I guess, I mean, that's basically it. Can I go back up here? I'd love to be able to collapse previous responses so I don't have to scroll as much. Like just clicking this and like minimizing all these. So my URL here, this actually works a lot faster than I expected. So if I do this and I just change the limit from this one here, hold on, instead of 2, let's say it's to 10. It's a little. We don't care about the offset. I'll go back to 0. Offset 0. Okay. R. Let's just assume it's right. R is. How do I look up rows as a function? Like if this is Elm or whatever, I could do this, right? I could do JSON R. Yeah, but it's syntax error. Like this surely there's a better way of doing this, right? Oh, data. There you go. Cool. And then we have the rows. Make URL for each of these. Nice. And again, we're just partying for the yeah, for this one. This it goes here, right? And this is it. It's gonna go 10. I might get timed out or something by the replay server, which is fair. But maybe not. Hopefully it doesn't take. Again, I don't know if this is threaded or not. I have no idea. Be interesting to know. Let me look up HTTP command after this and see if there's any way of. It's taking a while, so it probably is not threaded. It's just sequentially going through all of it, which is good because that means maybe that the rate limit on the API, this replay server, won't slow me down. Meanwhile, yeah. I guess I can't even type it all. What do we? It's gotta be like HTTP command pool or something, right? Like some. Can I just Google this? I wonder. HTTP command. Really? Close it here. No, let's search. Introduction tools. Documentation. Okay, I'm not gonna actually bulk it, but maybe there's a way. Examples? No. Maybe does it take? Okay, you know what? Does it actually take a list on? Let's go back to. Okay, resps are done. Resps. I'm assuming that's the list. I mean, you can see multiple items here. Can I do this? Can I see what these are in a nice viewer? I cannot. Can I do a plan or something? Here, a plan editor. Are you off or on? Okay, on. And then I do resps. No, still not a nice output. Okay. I could just do this again. Data. each, right? I can see the length. That backtick thing is so nice. Oh. Okay, so I did get rate limited maybe on some of them. Oh, here. Oh no. Unexpected workspace full. Huh. Huh. That's an interesting issue. Maybe because I'm unlicensed or something? Unlicensed or something? That there's a workspace limit? I think I recall Adam saying something about that being a problem. Either way, we've got our binaries. Can I do help and get? Because I know that this reads a file, right? Oh, come on, take your time. There you go. Is there right? Oh, perfect. Writing a text file. Is it S set? No, and put, right. Okay, so this is how you read to it. Flags is 0. Where's flags go? Is X? X is flags. Whereas X are 2 item vector. How come? Okay, this is explaining what X is or Y is. Why is it not where X is here? Do I have to look where X is? Maybe X is left argument. Okay, left argument 1 to 3 items. Content encoding loop 9. Not gonna worry about that. Okay, so I don't think I can. I don't think I can put this anywhere. But okay, so Y is where I'm putting it. X is the content, right? Okay, so I'd be like replay 1.dem and put the actual data. So, I was trying to do it in K earlier. Did not work. I'm just learning K. I'm not an expert at all, so don't look at it too closely. So here, oh, okay. So I wonder why sometimes it's 55. Because that could be 55. That could be 55 characters. Can I see how long I'm selecting? Yeah. I can. See, like, I hit the corner. So that's 55 characters? Or message. No, that wouldn't be right. No, I don't know what 55 is. Oh, I see. It was it was just happened. Column 50. It wasn't that I was selecting 50 characters. Okay, makes sense. Oh, nice. I can highlight things. Okay, so if I wanted to iterate with index, hold on. Let's say I have three lists. This should automatically make a list, right? Good. L for list. Tally. Double quote. List is 3. Okay. And then I'm already losing brain power. If I do, I know this is not right, but if I do X quad, uh, what's the other argument? Alpha, right? Okay, good. Hold on. L. I just want to see 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, how about I thought this would be I see, sorry. I thought it would have been dyadic, but it's because I didn't do this. Right, which is this, and then this should be A, which should be the 1, 2, 3. Length. Right, okay, so then I just have to do come on. Iota. There we are. So now there's probably a before or whatever, like a fork or something. Hook? I can't remember which one's which. But there's probably a way to use a compose thing here. Atop? No. Is it before? No, it's not it. Either way. Okay, we'll leave it as is. So, what I'm saying for that is for this situation here, I can now do the same thing, where I say, iota, the tally of resps, and then this should be fine still. But I can also, I don't know how to actually pair this, but if I just say a, no. There you go. There we are. So I'm saying basically, count the, I give him a number basically. And because I want to not write garbage to disk, let's filter these by which ones are less than, let's say 55 or less. I was gonna say less than 100, but 55 is probably fine too. I can't believe my workspace is full. I just cleared it too, so I'm not sure what exactly the source of this is, but that's fine. So, I just need to filter. I need to build a mask on whose second element is. Oh, you know what? This would be a nice transpose, maybe. I don't think this is relevant, but is there a transpose thing? No. Okay, how about just a reverse? Reverse? Come on. Okay. I don't know if this is exactly how you do it. Oh, what does this do? I can't tell. First, okay, so. No. There we go. This is giving me the last element in each one, I guess, and it recognizes what I'm trying to do. Hopefully it still parses this the same way, but who knows? So now from this one, are we which one's less or equal? Less or equal to 55. Greater or equal to 55. This is accidentally what I wanted. It's not what I was thinking, but it's what I was going to end up with anyway. Perfect. So now this is now how I'm going to replicate or whatever the mask. Something is telling me that I was told a better way of using masks here, but I'm not remembering it at this time. So definitely some sort of before situation happening here. Is that a thing? Can I hover over this? And it'll tell me how to use before? No. Really? Really? How about help? Maybe it's a different language that called it before. Behind? This is the new one? Glued? Function composition? Okay, equivalent to, okay, where's F and G shown? F before G is calling F. Oh yeah, this is before. Or whatever. This is before from BQN basically. I'm sure it's slightly different, but this is cool. That's a lot of text. I appreciate the docs are there, but I think this is good enough for now. How do I replicate? Do I have... No, that's not good. Replicate? Oh, sorry. Son of a bitch. Oh, son of a gun, that works. Okay, so here. Does this work? Does this still work? Good. So now I say behind, before, behind. Before. Nope. Behind. We're getting there. Nope. Behind. Okay, what is this function? You don't tell me how to insert the glyph? I must have this before, but it's called behind. I am on 20, yeah. Behind. Okay, can I just copy and paste it then? Good. I want to replicate. Easy. But I want to have 56 then. It's greater or equal. Oh, I'm just greater than. How about? We're close. Wasn't what I wanted. It was close though. Less than. Easy. Yeah. There you go. Okay, cool. We're partying. So none of these are the these are the these are the resps we care about. And maybe I can use under or something. Is it under here? Help under? Does that exist? Come on. I would love it for it to remember my search, so I don't have to keep. I guess I didn't keep closing new windows here. Anyway, but this is all to build a mask. Okay. So, can I do this? No. Oh, I don't know how to. Because all this has to be one thing. Missing right argument. Yeah, I don't know how to bind this. Bind? No, it's gotta be left argument. Doesn't it? Oh, I see the problem. This is equivalent. The problem was that the paren has to be oops, inclusive or something. You know what I mean? So like here, if I get rid of this and this will be fine. But then from here, I also want to do this thing. Good. Can I do this? Incorrect. Bind? Incorrect. I don't know why it's complaining about the value there all of a sudden. Because I'm just adding parens as we go. Missing a right argument. Oh, again, I could. Let's make this less messy. This is the mask. Okay. But yeah, this is one function, and I can't put a paren around it because then it doesn't know what's going on anymore. It doesn't understand this is reps is the argument to this thing. This will be even worse. Okay. I can at least compose this, right? Okay, now I can paste this. Oh, come on. I can paste in behind, if I could find it. Find it, and I can say this. Excellent. There we go. Easy. Okay. Now, I also want to bring back their IDs. I want to the IDs that I'm ditching here. I don't want to call these replays 1, 2, 3, and 4 or whatever. I want to call them one replay 0, 2, 3, 4. You know, I want to make sure I keep that original ID. I suppose I can pair them up the list here. Like if I move this bit here into this part before this, it'll I just have to go deeper into W. Okay, watch. Okay, maybe it'll be easier to write in code. So I'm saying here, watch this. Actually, shift escape, escape. Escape's do nothing. Okay, have to click away. So, if I do this again, I tally resps. Okay, we have this. We have this with resps. Okay, is it each maybe? No, that's some boxing or something. Off. That's worse. Okay. Is it? I would have. What does comma do? Ravel. Let's join. Let me try joining instead. Oh, join. Great. Um, Z for name, and I. Okay. Editor. Okay. A plan. Editor on. Was on. Okay. So why is Z already messy? I guess I'm expecting like a GUI or something. That looks a lot like what I'm talking about. So how come Z looks like trash? What's the is it tally? Tally of Z. 10 elements. Okay, and then inside of it, there are 2 elements each, which is what I want. This is what I want. If I do this, each Z, does this also print? No. No. What the hell? Why did that take so long? Why is it taking forever to print? Okay, rows on. That's so weird that it takes forever to print. I don't understand. Unless it's like caching somewhere. I don't know at all what conga is, so I'm not gonna worry about it. So, uh, if I take the first one from Z, that's enlisting. If I take the first one from Z, if I take the first one from Z, if I take the first one from Z, this boxing on was on. A plan editor on. I want to see boxes. I want to see boxes everywhere. On style. Oh, disp. This Z. Disp Z. They're very different. Okay. Display. No suggestions really. Yeah, I don't know what all those brackets mean, but I think it's good enough. So, if we scroll back up in time, we have our resps. This is what we wanted, which looks way better now. I must have turned boxing on successfully. And resps? No. So, this now, okay, I gotta go back in time. Whoops. I gotta go back in time for my history and find that massive line of these, right? And instead move this into here like I had before. I'm stealing this a little bit. And then here, I want to say I don't care about the first one anymore. I just want this one's second element. So this, right? Is that, that's actually, that's it. So I do quad this each, copy, paste. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so that's now the indexes of the replays. And if I recall, basically I want to input. And the trouble is I can't read too much here. I closed it. Input. Write text file. So destination. So it's dest, let's say, and then target is yeah, sure, that's fine. 1, 2, 3 items. We're gonna just leave with 1 item, and it's gonna be the body, the data. So we'll say, can I say temp dem or something? And I'll write the file to see. Ha ha ha. Okay. So now if I do n get, oh, n get temp dem. Excellent. Okay. So for all of these, we now have our. We want to just turn these into our file names again. So make a new function per thing here, which I can compose over, but that's fine. So here we have our. Can I do this? I rep or something? Resp? Does this work? I? Yeah, good. Okay, that works. I don't remember why the other one didn't work, but I'm not going to worry about that. So here, so we have our name. We'll call this N. Oh, nice syntax highlighting. Thanks for joining us. We have replay. Yeah, why am I suddenly getting nice syntax highlighting? We haven't this whole time, I don't think. A replay underscore I. If I could, I would what's the word? Don't know. Oh, pad it with numbers. I bet I could. Worry about that later. Dot dem. We're just gonna get the files. Incorrect. Wait, why did that fail this time? And no syntax highlighting here yet. That's maybe because it's I made it a quiet function by naming the last argument or something. Where's the space coming from? Oh, because this. I don't know why that created a space. But anyway, that works. Okay, so now these are our file names. I'm really trying to figure shy. They're called shy functions. Actually, can I do help? Shy? Does this work? Oops. This maybe a shy result. Okay. You might want to make sure the shy is a dummy variable. Yeah. So it's just making it. I like that I could search for it, to be honest. Okay, so this is now the file names. So n is the file names, and I want to have the data. I mean, I could just really write here, but yeah, let's do it. Let's do resp data. Right, is data or data, capital D for data. I'm gonna go. This is gonna only run once, also because I have the files. And okay, where's the flags? Flags is your default is omitted. Scalar flag overwritten. Okay, so this is gonna be even more dangerous. But I'm gonna overwrite whatever files here. Okay. And let's just call this temp, just so I don't have any clobbering. Take your time. Uh-oh. Why would it take any time at all to write 4 files? Okay. Yeah, how come that took forever? Can I edit that file now? Well, here I guess I can end get it, right? End get. This is gonna fill up my thing. So let's just say a file or something. Temp file, because my file might be a variable or something already. So here, temp replay 0 dem. Okay. Tally temp. If this is right, I want the first. Good. We created the files. So there you have it. Okay, so I can't jump to the definition of what resps is, right? Okay, so can I at least search resps? Okay. Can I can paste this in or something? Okay, actually. Can I J R? Okay, so I did this. Then I did resps. Okay, good. Oh, I have too many resps here. I'm confused. Which one's more recent? This one looks more recent. I also need to have the definition of make URL. I can't jump to it, but I can see it there, which is cool. Can I say make URL? Okay, this looks like it's good. Make URL. What? I want to define what make URL is. Why is this boxed? I want to just run this line again. There we go. Resps. But I don't have R. I want to have the first one in the file, please. Thank you. So R. Good. We have R's. So now we go back to resps. We're making our way there slowly. J. Do we have a better one? R. There you go. Now we have this one. Oh, shoot. It's going to take us time. So, good. And now we do this after. I'll wait for it to run again. I just might crap out. Maybe not, but we'll find out. So, first, we download the API files. And then it'll nice. I don't know why it looks so weird. Okay, right. So R is the data. I guess I must have a custom whatevering, a custom viewer. No, I want to inspect the r.data or whatever. Can I do that actually? Hold on. Editor r.data. No. Editor ed r.data. Yeah. Okay. Cool. This is the string. So then I quad JSONed it. Oh, this is repeating everything I'm gonna do, but that's fine. Where's resps? So here, so we have our data. Then we want to quad JSON it, which is this looks. Oh, what? Why doesn't? Oh, does it wrap it in string or something? No, whatever. Uh, editor? No. Okay, whatever. So for resps, we have the responses, which is the big JSON. We parse. Nice. You can see here. We saw a little bit there. Parse the JSON. We get its rows. Then for each one of the rows in the response, we make a URL, and then we get all of them. And these are our responses. Then the problem is some of the responses are running out of workspace memory or something. So we want to filter out all the elements whose length is less than 55, and we want to capture we join them with each of their original indexes into the resp list. So we want to get because oh, I see. This is getting their IDs, and then this is doing the filtering. Oops. Oh, welcome back, syntax highlighting. And then for each of those valid demos, we get the index and the response. We generate a file name based on their index, and then just dump it to the file. It's kind of cool. Can I once again? I don't want to do this again because it'll take forever to run, but that's cool. So that's not so bad. That's step one. I guess step two would be running the replay analyzer on all the demos that I download this way. Cool. Like and subscribe.